Alright guys, let's get into some part editing now. We have the script and we know what the part can do whenever we edit it, so let's go ahead and go into this script and see what can happen. Alright, since the script is inside the part, we can use script.parent. I want to use that, and I also want to use the workspace to find the part. So, alright, script.parent.transparency. Let's change the transparency. And you can see inside the part that there is a transparency in appearance, and we just take the name of that and we put it in here. Then you press the equal sign, and then you set the transparency between 1 and 0, and you can set it to 0.5. Now we're going to click this run button, and you can see it changed to 0.5 transparency over here. If we click on that, yep, it's 0.5. Alright, so let's undo that. And the same thing can be done if you did workspace.cool.high.transparency equals 0.5, and we can click run again, and it'll still turn transparent. That's how script.parent works, at least. Alright, so now let's take into loops. You know, while true do, I taught you guys this. It's a forever loop, that's what I like to call it. Let's do the script.parent.transparency equals 0.5, and we're going to wait half of a second, and then we're going to do the part again. We're going to change its transparency to 0, and we're going to wait 0.5 again, and we're going to end the loop. Alright, so just go back to your place and click run, and now you'll see the brick is blinking. And well, we can go back into our script. Let's see what it does. Well, it's the transparency, then we wait, then the transparency changes again, then we wait, and then it'll start over from the beginning. Okay, so now with that in mind, we can also make the brick disappear, seem to like fade off in the distance. Let's delete that. For I equals 1 to 10 do, then end. Put our end there first. Alright, so it's going to go from 1 to 10, and since transparency is from 0 to 1, we're going to have to do some math here. So we're going to do script.parent.transparency equals I divided by 10, because we can only go up to 1 with transparency, so we're going to have to divide it by 10 to get it to just get up to 1. And we're going to do weight, let's just do the weight 0.03. Alright, so we're just going to go in here and click run, and it's slow, well, it kind of fades off, if you can see that. Let's slow it down a bit. 0.5. Let's run it again. And it slowly fades off. And the same thing can be done with reflectance. I do believe that reflectance just goes to 0, from 0 to 1, just like transparency. Let's actually try that. Let's change this to reflectance and set it to I divided by 10. So we're going to go up here to play, and it'll slowly get reflective. And I'm guessing that only goes up to 1. I'm too lazy to check right now. Anyways, that's basic editing, and I'll see you guys next tutorial.